Hello, this is Derek Stokes, Stoke Living. Got a little project we're working on. Don't have a whole lot of daylight left. I worked all day and then I get out here and play. I'll show you guys what I got going on. So just bear with me and we'll go check it out. Here, Philip, why don't you bring it on over here?
What?
Just bring the stuff over here. Okay, I want to show you kind of what I got. Here. We've got this pond over here in our property in Locust Grove, and it's a spring-fed pond. And it's a really good fishing pond. Got crappie and bass and catfish in it. And we fished in it pretty much all our lives. But one of the problems is the level in it has gone down quite a bit. And I'll show you guys. You can kind of see where it used to be. It used to be all the way up to there. So we're about 2 foot down. And the cows come through here and they tromp this down. And this pipe is an overflow pipe. It has settled down lower. So this spring-fed pond, which the spring is located up here on the side of the hill, feeds the pond, and it runs all out here. So I need to build this area up and bring the pipe up higher so that we can increase the level of this pond. It really needs to be dug out, but I don't have the time or the money right now to dig it out. Eventually, we probably will. But just need to make it where you can fish it a little bit easier, because the deep end is out there probably about 30 foot. And it'd be kind of hard to fish. But Philip, he's going to try to catch him something. So let's see if he can catch him something.
There, Dad.
Here, let's go right here.
fish in this pond?
Oh, there's fish in there. Big fish. Oh, yeah.
Dad, why don't catch fish in here in a pond? They can't.
Oh, I just barely. Oh. What do we got here, Philip? A fish. What is it?
Yeah.
What is this, Philip? Largemouth bass.
Got one.
Look at this, folks. If you do this right here, it looks real big. We'll try. You was wondering there's fish in there.
Not that much. What?
Thick mud. Uh-oh. All right. See what Philip caught. What'd you catch, Philip?
Stick.
Stick.
Whatever that is.
I just want the pond level higher. I want to be higher up. Okay, we've got the water to stop flowing, but kind of the problem is now, you can see the angle of this pipe is going up. We need to level it out just a little bit. And I've got to move in a lot more dirt than what I've got here, but I've kind of stopped the bleeding. I'm gonna try to get this a little bit higher up and just kind of build all this through here back to where it was. But I might run out of daylight, but me and Phillips are gonna stack some rocks underneath this. Try to get this where we can float where it'll flow through the pipe.
It'll just make it higher.
Yeah, it'll make the water higher. And then we got to get that bass in our other pond before it gets too dark. All right. We'll see what we can do here. Well, we got the pond kind of dammed up. And hopefully we can raise the level in the pond. Still got quite a bit more work to do on it. But kind of got an idea what we need to do. Got us a little fish, stuck it in the other pond. And hopefully we can get us some bass in there. We saw earlier that we have plenty of bait fish that can handle some bass in there, and hopefully kind of clean up the perch and stuff out of there so we can get us some big fish. We need some monster bass in there, don't we?
We'll never catch it.
We might. We just have to get after it.
We just catch like those fish.
Those little small fish. Yeah, we want to catch some big fish, don't we?
How big would that be?
Oh, they can get pretty good size.
Yeah.
They get enough to eat in there, and they'll just keep growing and growing, just like you. All right, we're gonna eat some dinner, and we'll catch you guys next time. You need to tell them to do anything?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and you'll see some more of our adventures. And we'll catch you next time.